Hey there believers, we were exploring Western Ghats and in this video we went on a road trip to Wayanad.
See who is driving. Happy Pongal, Happy Diwali, Happy Christmas.
What?
What's
Bye
the
bye.
matter with you?
So if you're new to this channel, we go on motor camping and outdoor adventure videos. So make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Yeah, we're going to take photo over there. Looks like a short hike for the photography. அப்படியே உங்களையும் போட்டுக்கோங்க.
என்ன பண்ணு இப்போ நான் சரி நில்லுங்க
இவ்வளவு பேர் இருக்கீங்க. ஏய் எறடா டேய் அரேண்டா எப்படி வரா? ஏய் ஓடிட்டாரு. ஓடிட்டேடா. அண்டா பின்னாடியே ஐயோ. Oh no.
So guys, we are into one of the hills, Wayanad. So guys, we are into that one of the topmost hills in Wayanad. So here we are. Just have a look into the top view of this hill station. The thing is, we are on one of the topmost hill in Wayanad. So here we go, and we just reached here, and here we go. Plantation area. And with the higher authorities, what you will say, their approval, we are here. So we can encounter any animals here, like bear grylls. That's one of the animal kind here living here. Let's see what we can explore. So we were surrounded by clouds. So finally we done and dusted this thing by climbing the one of the hill in Wayanad. We will do that campfire.
What?
We'll do a campfire here. Hey, see that this is a rubber tree, I think so. This is a rubber tree. No, this is not a rubber tree. Rest of waiting for our pack to come here. We didn't get any of the sounds from them because whether they were encountered by any of the species around here in this hill station, we are just going to in search of those people. Oh my god, those see there, one person is there. So we're waiting for the drone to have that drone thing share the video of beautiful Wayanad, so that you guys will enjoy presentation of the hill station. A kind of cardio workout.
You want me to say something?
Yeah, just say something
Hi,
to the viewers.
This is Sam from Annivakam. Wayanad, nice place, lot of greens, really happy, bit tired with the next sessions. Happy Pongal, Happy Diwali, Happy Christmas.
What?
What's
Bye
the
bye.
matter with you?
Meet you next time. I gotta see.
See, that the plan is coming, and that's the one. So this guy named Deepak, this guy named Satish, and that guy named Yogesh, and those. அதான் எல்லாமே ஒரு பில்டப் பண்ணிட்டேன். டாப் மோஸ்ட் இல்லைன்னு அவங்களுக்கு தெரிய போகுது டாப் மோஸ்ட் இல்லைன்னு.
How would they know?